I'm gonna do a clutch swap on the Renegade there. I took the STM out of the side-by-side. I'm gonna swap it into that. So I already have it sitting here. I just have to give it a clean and possibly switch out some weights, because when I got it built for this machine, not for this one. So I'm going to take this for a quick bath, get it all cleaned up. Well, I mean, it's clean, but there's still schmutz all over from the Skegtober ride. So I'm going to do that and I'll get back to you. Yeah, it didn't take much to get the primer off of there. I just gave it a couple bonks right here on the face, and it just popped right off. So yeah, everything else looks pretty good here. You know, just your basic wear and tear here, but the clutch looks pretty good, other than, you know, belt schmutz all over it. Let's put this bad boy in, and then give it a few ooga-doogas, and pop that bad boy off. Kapooya! Yeah, you can see I wasn't getting full engagement here. Got some belt schmutz on here. Well, hopefully the STM will fix that issue. Next thing is putting on the STM primer. My God, look at that. For a new machine. She dirty. Okay, I'm gonna give that back plate a cleaning, and then throw STM on there. Okay, sorry, I forgot to record putting the clutch on, but really, there's not much to to say. You put it on, you put the bolt in, torque it down. Yeah, blew out the clutch, so this is all nice and clean. Cleaned all the sheaves from my dirty fingerprints. She's good to go. I haven't fired it up yet, so let's give her the old fire up. Why am I not going? I'm in park. On. Well, that's interesting. I'll get back to you. Wow, I am stupid. been a long week, okay? It's been a long week. Let's try this again here. It's even saying right on the dash, check key, bonehead. Okay. Try this again. Aha, we got power. So far, so good. Let her warm up a little bit, and then we'll give it a couple of rapid wraps. Yeah. See you in a second. Hey, got some heat in the motor. Let's give it some wraps. Pretty good. Let it go for a little bit longer, and then I'll go and retorque that nut because I don't want that coming off. So yeah, I haven't test ridden it yet, so it'll be interesting to see. So yeah, so far so good, and yeah, I'll get back to you.
Hello, I'm back. So these are actually for the people that were at FRCC and know about what happened to this tire. This little tidbit at the end of the video. These two lug nuts are not these two right here. So yeah, we're going to change those out to the proper style. I'm just only doing it now. I mean, FRCC was in July. It's November, but whatever, better late than never, right? Yeah, it was kind of funny. The story was, and mind you, I did torque all of these lug nuts. I did. I swear I did. I torqued all of them. But, so my wife was riding around at FRCC, and luckily she wasn't going fast. And this rear driver's tire just fell off. Luckily, the guys that I hang out with have a bunch of spare parts and whatnot, because I think it's because they hang out with me, because they know something's going to happen when I'm around. So, but yeah, it's just, frick, good times, good times. Hold on, I got to get the right socket for this. Be right back. Okay, acquired right socket. So, yeah, come hang out with me. Love an adventure. And now I can't torque these because my torque wrench was in my truck when it got stolen, when it broke down. So, I'm just going to give it the old ooga-dooga. That one's good. This is how garage mechanics really do it. Come on. I know Drake and Curtis are probably going, what the? I would never let that happen. I wouldn't let a machine out of here if everything's torqued to spec.
Well, whoa. Hello. I don't know if you guys remember me, but close is good enough. Kyle is like borderline that, but he still has to be professional. So let's just keep things spinning. My mount here. It's whatever. Anyways, thanks for watching this end shaky footage, and I'll see you next time.